Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Turn on your hotspot and set a strong password with WPA2 or WPA3 encryption. Choose a clear SSID name that you will recognize when connecting devices. Check your carrier plan for hotspot data limits, like 15 GB or unlimited throttling rules. Note any tethering restrictions or extra fees before heavy use. Connect one device and confirm stable signal strength at your location before adding others. Keep the hotspot in an open area to improve reception and reduce disconnections during transfers. Track hourly and daily consumption using the hotspot device dashboard or carrier app. Enable usage alerts and set a warning at 80% of your monthly cap, for example, when you reach 12 GB. Review connected devices and their session lengths to attribute consumption accurately. Identify high-usage apps like video streaming and restrict them over the hotspot network. Pause automatic backups and large updates while on hotspot to prevent unexpected spikes in data usage. Log usage patterns for a week to forecast next month's needs. Enable data saver modes in apps and lower video quality to 480p or 1/4 bandwidth. Compress downloads and use browser data compression tools when possible to reduce bytes transferred. Use a VPN only when necessary, since some VPNs add overhead to each connection and increase usage. Limit connected devices to essential ones and schedule heavy tasks for Wi-Fi access at home. Prioritize critical traffic using device settings or app-specific restrictions to conserve your hotspot data allocation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.